On this video, I'm going to walk you through how to replace the pickup roller for the Brother 3140, 3170, 3180, 9130, and some another model. I'm going to work on the 9130 CW today. So before you start, get some kind of tape the scanner right there, so that we're going to lift up the printer later, so the scanner don't open it out. So make sure you do that before you start. Take out the paper tray, lift the printer up. At this time, just put your finger and push down this green lock. Lift it up, pull it on the side, and take the roller out. Now we're going to install another roller. See on the roller, it has the knot. You probably don't see in the camera, but it has the knot, so make sure the knot is point that way on top. So see, like this one, we can get it go through, but if you put the knot down like that, it won't go through. So if you get stuck right here, make sure you put the knot that way. That's done for the pickup roller. Now we're going to change the pad on the tray. Get a small flathead screwdriver, print it up here, and make sure you very gently pry out a little bit. Don't do too much, it will break the plastic. Take it out, and then take the whole thing out. Now we're going to put the new one in. And make sure it's pushed up, so that means it works correct.